Welcome to Epic Echoes. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most transformative topics of our time, mastering your mindset. Every great achievement begins with the mind. It's the foundation of success, the spark behind innovation, and the key to unlocking your potential. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore proven strategies, inspiring stories, and actionable steps to help you take control of your thoughts and pave your path to greatness. Let's embark on this journey together. Did you know that your mindset shapes your reality? Research shows that a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work, leads to greater achievements than a fixed mindset. Let me share the story of Michael Jordan, who was cut from his high school basketball team but refused to give up. His mindset transformed rejection into relentless determination, making him one of the greatest athletes of all time. To master your mindset, you first need to identify what's holding you back. Is it fear of failure? Self-doubt? Procrastination? These are the silent saboteurs of greatness. Take a moment to reflect. What limiting beliefs are keeping you from reaching your potential? Practical tip. Write down your negative thoughts and reframe them into empowering ones. For example, change "I can't do this" to "I'll find a way to make this happen." You control the narrative in your mind. To cultivate a growth mindset, you need to embrace challenges, persist through obstacles, and see effort as a path to mastery. Think of Thomas Edison, who famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His mindset turned setbacks into stepping stones. Practical exercises. Seek feedback and use it to grow. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you. Mastering your mindset isn't a one-time task, it's a daily practice. Here are 3 habits to strengthen your mind every day. Morning routine. Start your day with gratitude, visualization, and goal setting. Mindfulness practice. Spend 10 minutes focusing on your breath to quiet negative thoughts. Continuous learning. Read, listen to podcasts, or watch videos that expand your horizons. Greatness isn't reserved for a select few, it's within your reach. It begins with a decision to master your mindset, overcome your fears, and take action. Remember, you have the power to shape your future. Start today. Start now. The path to greatness is waiting for you. Did this video inspire you? Hit the like button, share it with someone who needs a boost, and subscribe to Epic Echoes for weekly motivation. Let's conquer the journey to greatness together.